Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Here let's move to the left side and pick the settings button to open the camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to find the press and hold shutter button option. When we tap on it, we can decide to use this as record video, burst shot or focus. So now let's stay on the burst shot, and when we move back to the camera and tap on the shutter button at the center a little bit longer, we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way, so our burst shot. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.